Which bird holds the record for the longest migration? A. Arctic tern. B. Swallow. C. Canada goose. D. Bald eagle. The Arctic tern is renowned for its incredible journey, traveling up to 71,000 kilometers annually from its breeding grounds in the Arctic to wintering areas in the Antarctic. This remarkable migration is not only the longest, but also showcases the bird's extraordinary endurance and navigational skills. The Arctic tern also experiences 2 summers each year, a unique advantage. So which one do you think it is? Comment your answer below. Are you secretly asking ChatGPT? We caught you. The correct answer is A. Arctic tern. It epitomizes the tenacity of avian migration.